Let's compare GHD Original versus GHD Platinum Plus. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal colour specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film I will be comparing side by side GHD Original Styler versus GHD Platinum Plus Styler, and we're gonna see whether it's worth spending that tiny little bit extra for the brand new GHD Platinum Plus. So if you want to sit with me on this one, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film we are comparing two GHD stylers. We are going to compare the classic GHD styler versus the brand new Platinum Plus. We're gonna try it out, we're gonna do a few curls with it, we're gonna do waves with it, and we're gonna see whether there's actually a huge difference between the two of them. So you guys, let's get right into it. Let's compare GHD Original Classic Styler versus GHD Platinum Plus. Right you guys, so we have two GHD straighteners. This is an original one, and I swear to God you guys, I have this styler for years and I can't fault it. I use it and it's brilliant. And I've recently treated myself to this brand new baby, which is GHD Platinum Plus, and I am super excited to try it out. Now, first impressions first. When it comes to the design of the two GHDs, I mean, we can't fault it. The Platinum Plus looks absolutely stunning. I mean, the original one does look dated, but it's a very much a classic design and I still love the original styler. So we're really gonna see whether the Platinum Plus is that much better. Now, what can I tell you about those two stylers? The first difference is the price tag. The original classic styler is retailing for €139, where the Platinum Plus retails for a whopping €225. So there's a big price difference between those two stylers. So we're really going to see whether it's worth spending that tiny bit extra and upgrading or getting a new straightener. Both of them heat up to 185 degrees Celsius, which is brilliant because I mean, it's perfect for curling and straightening the hair. Both of them do have the floating plates, and floating plates are brilliant. And what that means is that when you put the hair in between the plates will actually move depending on the thickness of the hair. So the two of them have the exact same thing when it comes to the plates. They both have a round barrel so you can curl the hair, wave it, etc, etc. Now with the original styler we do have the ceramic plate technology, which means those plates are made out of ceramic. And as you can see, now I have this straightener a long time, I'd say nearly 10 years plus, nearly, like I couldn't tell you exactly. I think I actually got it when I first started training. And there's only a bit of damage on the plates on the inside. So I mean, this straightener has served me a very, very long time. When it comes to the Platinum Plus, we do have the Ultra Zone technology. And GHD claims that this straightener is a smart straightener. But what is the Ultra Zone technology? Basically, right, think of it this way. So there's those little heat sensors around this straightener, around those plates, that control the heat 250 times per second. And what happens is when the straightener heats up to 185 degrees Celsius and you clamp cold hair in it, what's going to happen with this straightener is it's going to lose the heat. Why? Because you're applying cold on top of warm. So the heat is not gonna be even. So what this straightener is actually gonna do is it's actually gonna maintain the same heat throughout the whole section of the hair on cold hair. Is that making a bit of sense or not? So I mean, it is impressive. So we are supposed to get better results with this heat styling tool, and please let me know in the comment section down below whether you tried Platinum Plus or you have the original and what are your thoughts about the two of them. Now the Platinum Plus is meant to make your hair 20% shinier. It's going to provide you with more color protection because as we all know, heat will strip color. So if you use the straighteners a lot in your hair, that will actually strip your color, and hair is going to be up to 70% stronger. So I mean, it's promising us a lot, but like I said, I cannot fault this one at all. Right, you guys, so what are we gonna do? We're gonna test them side by side. I'm gonna bring over my assistant Vanessa because she loves being on my YouTube channel, and I'm going to straighten the hair on one side with Platinum Plus and the other side with the classic styler. I'm going to do a few curls, waves, and we're going to see how it performs. So you guys, let's get right into it. On this side, I'm going to use the original straightener, and I'm taking about an inch section thick, and I'm just performing a classic straightening technique from root to ends. And as you can see, I nearly feel like I have to go over twice on that section. Around the front, I'm just going to do a slight vertical wave with my GHD original straightener, and there's no issues with that. And with the rest of the hair, I'm just going to perform classic straightening with my straightener. And this is the finished result of this side. On this side, I'm going to use the Platinum Plus, and I'm actually taking a thicker section just to test it out and see if that straightener is going to perform better on thicker sections. And like that, around the front, I'm just going to do a classic vertical wave with my Platinum Plus, and the hair is sliding beautifully. And for the rest of the hair, I'm just going to perform a classic straightening from root to ends using my Platinum Plus, and here is the final result. Right, you guys, so what did you think? So let's talk about it up close. Now, when it came to actually using it, I definitely found that the hair slid easier through the Platinum Plus side than the original styler. If I could explain, it was nearly like chalkier when I was moving the straighteners through it. But overall, I think the result is nearly the same. Like the Platinum Plus side, when it comes to the straightening bit, does look a lot smoother, but it's a very minimal difference if you ask me. Like this side looks just as good and perfect, but definitely this side looks slightly bit smoother and the hair did not pull through it. When this one is just a bit more, I don't know, it's just a bit more nearly drier, but I definitely think this side is a lot shinier. When it came to the curls, I can't fault it. Both sides done amazing job and they waved absolutely beautiful. Another thing I forgot to tell you about Platinum Plus, it's that little handy thing that you can literally pop that around it, and it's a heat protector, so you can literally finish styling your hair and just pop it away and it will not burn, so you don't have to worry about your carpets or floors or anything, which is actually really, really handy. Right, you guys, my final opinions. When it comes to Platinum Plus and GHD Original, do I think Platinum Plus is that much better than the original? Not really. For the amount of money that you're paying, I mean, the hair was softer, the hair was smoother, the hair was shinier, but I think the classic one did a good job. And I mean, that one's €139, that's what I would be thinking. If your hair isn't really frizzy or thick and you don't use straighteners just as often, I think this one is just perfect. Now, we have to keep in mind that this one is brand new as well, and this one is fairly used. But overall, I do think they're similar, but I definitely think if you're looking for shinier and if your hair is shinier, smoother hair, I definitely think the Platinum Plus is a go-to, but the classic one is just as good. Anyways guys, thank you for watching today's film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful and useful. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my other social media. And of course you guys, please take care. Bye.